um, babysit you. When you stand in front of actors like that, you got to know your job, you got to know your craft. You can't disrespect their presence over there by being a bumbling fool.
Absolutely.
And I think it takes a lot of guts to do a film like Dilli Chhe as your second film and not go back and do the same, I'm going to wear a chiffon sari and run around Switzerland kind of film, which I love, and all respect to that. But I think it's a great statement on, what Sonam believes in and the caliber of actor that she is, and she's done it beautifully. Once you see the film, you won't believe that this is just a second film.
Wow, that's good. अच्छा, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में आप we have heard कि आपने ऐश्वर्या को प्रपोज भी यहीं पे किया था.
Yeah.
And अभी कुछ दिन पहले आप लोगों का जो कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था, amazing, इतने सारे वहाँ पे जिसको कहते हैं हजारों लाखों फैन मौजूद थे. और
well, New York has always been a lucky charm of sorts for me. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see what happens.
अच्छा, एक बात मुझे बताइएगा कि इतने सारे लोगों के सामने जो परफॉर्म किया आपने, what was their experience like?
Oh, it was mind-blowing. It was electric just to see a live audience. We're film actors. We're not used to a live audience.
Yeah.
We act for the camera. Absolutely. And hope that the people watching it at the other end enjoy what they see. But to perform in front of a live audience is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Just to receive all the love that they just pour out to you is breathtaking.
Like nervousness थी, yeah.
You're very nervous when you're in the wings. But I used to enter from the crowd.
Yes.
And the minute the light came on to you and suddenly the crowd turns around and they just scream, that's it. They carry you on from there. It's just a high from there.
And again, the pressure thing, because Jumma show, if you remember, Amit ji, घोड़े पे आते थे.
जी.
And nobody believed कि how can you do that in so many people?
Right.
घोड़े बिदक गया तो क्या होगा?
But there's a reason he is who he is. So yeah, he can do anything.
Yeah. Absolutely. अच्छा, अभिषेक, ये बताएं कि अगर आपको कोई भी आजकल क्रॉसओवर फिल्में बहुत बन रही हैं, और अगर आपको कोई पाकिस्तानी प्रोजेक्ट ऑफर हो तो would you do it?
First of all, I don't believe in crossover films.
Yeah.
I think it's
cinema.
A very limited viewpoint on cinema. Cinema is cinema. We work in different languages. I've done films in different languages. I've done a Bengali film. I've done 2 Bengali films.
Yeah.
I've done Hindi films. So I think a film is a film is a film. It doesn't matter where it's made, as long as you're comfortable in the language and you feel you'll be able to do it. I'll work in a film. If tomorrow somebody offers me a Pakistani film, I'd love to. I've seen a lot of Pakistani films. I have a lot of Pakistani friends who've shown me, when I was in college, they used to show me a lot of their films. And, I've worked with Mr. Javed Sheikh in one of my films, and he had shown me some of his films, and he's a very talented man and a great guy, and I'd love to. Why not?
Very good. And one thing I had to tell you, कि मैंने हमेशा सोचा था कि मैं बताऊंगा कि जब भी आप कराची जाएं तो कराची से एयरपोर्ट से निकलते ही बहुत बड़ा सा आपका पोस्टर लगा हुआ है. So
oh really?
Absolutely. And Share Faisal एक रोड है, a lot of people would know, but अगर आप कभी भी कराची जाएंगे तो as soon as you start driving couple of miles you'll see a huge Abhishek poster.
Oh wow.
And this tells us कि पाकिस्तान में आपके कितने फैन हैं और कितना लोग आपको प्यार करते हैं.
Well, the people of Pakistan have always been very kind to me and my family. My grandmother is from not Faisalabad.
Okay.
She was born in Dialpur.
Okay.
And grew up in Karachi and Lahore.
Really?
Before partition, obviously, yes. And so we have great links with the country, and the people have always been very loving to my family, and we thank them for all their love and blessings that they've always given us.
No, it's our pleasure.
And I'd love to come to the country.
कोई मैसेज आप सारे अपने चाहने वालों को?
जी ज़रूर. बहुत शुक्रिया for all your support. As a family, we can only thank you. We will never be able to thank you enough for the love and respect that you've given us, and we hope that we manage to continue entertaining you all, and I hope you always love us the way you have.
Thank you so much for your time, Abhishek, and we wish you all the best.
Thanks a lot, man.
For all your future projects.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Last week's contest winners, the results are in. Hina Said from Pakistan.
Yay!
Sadaf Farooqi from the Middle East.
Congratulations, Sadaf.
Sirajuddin from Pakistan.
आपको भी.
Shafaq Bukhari from US.
All right.
And Zishan Asker from Canada.
All right. आप सब लोगों को congratulations and keep watching our show, please.
You know, but for this week's contest, you gotta do a simple, easy question because I want to win that T-shirt.
Okay, चलो
Right,
ये
हाँ.
just for you
Let's do
बहुत
that.
आसान सवाल अपने व्यूअर्स से पूछते हैं. आप लोगों को ये बताना है कि अभिषेक बच्चन की जो लुक हमारे इंटरव्यूज में आपने देखी वो किस फिल्म के लिए लुक है उनकी. आप हमारे जवाब अपना ईमेल करके बताइए और जीतने वाले 5 रैंडम लोगों को अभिषेक बच्चन की साइन टी-शर्ट्स भेजी जाएंगी.
And for all you females out there, if you would like to join our show, go to www.facebook.com and join our group. Be a star on a Pakistani TV show.
तो शो कंक्लूड करते वक्त मैं अपने व्यूअर्स से एक कन्फेशन करना चाहता हूँ कि शो के शुरू में जो हम लोगों ने कहा कि हमें बहुत बड़े बड़े फिल्म डायरेक्टर से बहुत सारी ऑफर आई, वो सब झूठ था. हमें कोई ऑफर किसी डायरेक्टर से नहीं आई है.
Yeah, but you cannot say that on the show.
Of course I can say that on the show.
You cannot confess on the show like
Of course
that.
I can, यार.
Of course you can, yaar. You gotta edit that.
अच्छा कैमरा बंद करो यार.
Party यार तो एक different segment था. 1, 2, 3, go. Reaction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Team right hands up.
Convincing.
यार तो एक कन्फेशन नहीं बोल सकता यार.
Keep moving. आगे बढ़ो.
अगर आपको कोई पाकिस्तानी प्रोजेक्ट ऑफर हो,
Are you sure you're from India or are you from Lahore?
It's all about a Pakistani.